I want to show you how you can work with moderation in LiveWall. When you let people scan the QR code, they will be able to see content on the wall if you choose to let them. They will also be able to upload photos and videos, and sometimes you need to check that content before you make it available to other guests or display it on walls like jumbotrons or monitors at your event. So I want to go through the moderation options that are available in our paid plans. And I'm now on the test wall from our previous videos. This has been upgraded, and here what I'm looking for is the settings option here, which takes me to the settings screen. There's a section on moderation, which has two settings. The first is manual moderation. This means that a human being has to be in the loop, and they will need to accept or reject any content that is uploaded to your wall. The second option is our AI-based safety filter, which automatically removes any content that is deemed not safe for work. And we can use these in combination. In that case, the AI filter will kick in before anything is sent to the human moderators. So I'll leave both of these on, and we now want to simulate this process. So what we want to do is to take a mobile phone and use the QR code in LiveWall to access the wall. I have cheated a bit, so we already have that ready here on my mobile phone. So you can see I'm scrolling through the same content here as I have on the wall. So I'm going to use the upload button in the lower left-hand corner on the mobile, select the library, and I'm taking this photo here and uploading that. And that is being pushed to the server. We can see that it's ready now, and I'm switching back to looking at my laptop. So here you can see that in the moderation pane we now have a counter of 1. So there is one photo waiting for us. If you want to do this yourself, you can of course stay on this screen. There's a small share button here as well on moderation. Let me see if I can get that active. So you can see that here. If I click that, you can share the moderation. So there's a separate QR code, so don't confuse this with the other QR code in LiveWall. But this lets you invite other moderators that have this special access to accept or reject content. You can also save that QR code or send that link somehow else. I'll just hit moderation here now. You can see that this photo we uploaded is now in the queue, and I have an approve button and a reject button here, and I can choose to approve this photo, in which case if we look at the mobile phone, this has now been pushed out in the feed to all of our guests. So it's available for them all to see, all to download and work in LiveWall. So I hope this gives you a good understanding. There's information about how this works in our FAQ, and you can of course reach out to us anytime if you have other questions.